let's briefly show some charts and kind of just get everyone familiar with what we're talking about here. Because when we say that these things are making gains, yeah, the charts look quite good indeed. So this is the Uniswap chart. Recently, they came out and they said, hey, we're looking at profit sharing as part of our tokenomics. This was a really positive thing because they are the largest DEX, just period, and they are Ethereum native. So with everyone getting excited about more activity on Ethereum and profit sharing and all this stuff, ETH DeFi is doing good. And the Uniswap chart is just a great example of this. It's up about 130% in the last 2 weeks. But it's not alone. You have Compound, which also had a really nice move up here recently from around $50 all the way to $100. Again, another like 100% move there. Going on to the AI space, we have FET, which, FET was this double-edged sword because they had the bad news come out. People were like, all right, are they solvent? Are they not solvent? Like they can't pay off some of these lawyer fees. Like what's happening here? And people were really nervous about it, and justifiably so. Turns out, they're doing quite well. It looks like they're going to be okay. Fingers crossed. I don't jinx us here, but if we're looking at just in the past like few weeks, they're up over about 300% in the last month alone. And then you go and you look at other projects. You got Ocean, you got AGIX, you got the Graph, all these other AI-based tokens, and they're soaring as well. Which leads us to the third and kind of like final industry before I open it up to the other gents because they might have some other verticals that they see popping off that I missed. But that would be meme coins. And so with meme coins, we look at things like PEPE. This thing, holy smokes. If we just zoom out to its previous all-time high, yeah, that crazy run that PEPE did about a year ago? Well, that little pipsqueak move is that run. And this... This is what it looks like. So for the people who can't see the screen share, I wish I could tell you how many decimals this thing is, but I'll just tell you the percentage move. It's up about 500 to 600% in the last like 2 weeks here. And it's not alone. You go and you look at like Doge or SHIB or a lot of these other ones. I think Flocky, and I've seen, there's a Solana one. BONK, that's what it was. BONK has also had, a crazy chart like this. Bonk's up about 200% in the last week and a half. So meme coins are popping off. And, I just wanted to like raise the question to the group here. Like, why do we think memes are moving so fast right now? Because, I typically feel that memes don't always like front run. Maybe I just don't remember things right. But from my experience, memes typically pop off more in like the middle of things, in the middle of the run, towards the end of the run. People are transferring funds out of Bitcoin, out of Ethereum, out of their normal staple investments. And they're saying, hey, what like smaller avenues can we get in on to get the same level of volatility that we were getting in traditional cryptos? But this time around, it's a little bit different. Memes are front running with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, I'll open up the table.
It's fascinating. And I don't hold any like major meme coin bags. I have some Dogecoin just for fun, honestly. I believe meme coins are the riskiest level or tier of coins in the crypto market, but I'm not hating, so please don't trash me in the comments.
Well, I agree with you.
Yeah,
I agree with you. I don't own any either because it doesn't match my investment thesis. I like to have things that have true value. They have a project and a goal, and they're building out products that people can use and interact with. So I don't own any meme coins. But again, I'm not knocking the people who made money. I mean, heck,
right.
If you made money off them, props to you. But I agree that they're risky.
Yeah, and I always say the same thing. Like if you're making money, God bless. I'm happy for you, man. Go for it. But it's very risky, and just understand it's like going to the casino and throwing it on black, right? It's very, very risky.